everyone, myself Dr. Diksha Agarwal did my MBBS from Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal and secured a rank of 294 in UPSC CMS 2019. So here I am to tell you something about what this examination all about. UPSC CMS Combined Medical Service. What it's all about, what's the eligibility, what's the fees and what's in which parts it's divided and what is the personality test. So here we start. Now, this exam is about basically to offer you a job of medical officers in various government organizations. The notification of this exam usually come in the month of April and exam is usually held in the month of July. But this year, because of the COVID, this exam was held quite late in the month of October. Right now, the written paper has been done. The personality test will be coming up soon in the December and the month of January. Okay, so basically, because of this examination, we are eligible for the 5 different posts. The names are: first, Central Health Service Junior Scale Post, Assistant Divisional Medical Officer in Railways, Assistant Medical Health Officer in Indian Ordnance Factories, then General Duty Medical Officers in North, East and South Delhi. So, who are eligible for this examination? All the candidates who are at present in the final year of MBBS examination or who have recently passed out that final examination, or who are in the internship phase, or who have completed the internship phase. These all are eligible for this examination. What is the fee structure? 200 rupees is the fees for this examination for the boys of the general and the OBC candidates. For rest, it's free of cost for the girls, for the SC, for the ST and for the handicap candidates. Now paper. Paper consists of 2 parts. First, in written examination, which is of 500 marks, and the other one is the personality test of 100 marks. Now, in the month of October, 500 marks paper was held, which is divided into 2 parts, A and B. Both are held on the same day of 2 hours duration with a gap of 1 to 1.5 hour in between. Now, part 1 continues of paper 1, 120 questions. 96 questions of general medicine, 24 of general pediatrics, and in the medicine, derma and psychiatry questions are also included. Now, paper 2. Paper 2 consists of 40 questions each of surgery, obs-gynae and PSM. And in the surgery part, we have some questions of anesthesia, ortho, ENT, optha. Now, out of these 500 questions, average cutoff every year goes around 250 to 300 to be eligible for the interview. So, once you clear this examination, this written part, you will be eligible for the personality test, which will be held around the December-January as I told you. So, if for you to be eligible in that personality test, you have to clear this examination. Why this is, why you should apply for this examination? Because its pay scale is good. It's around, starting salary is 1,20,000 and after 3-5 years work, it keeps on upgrading and maximum at present it can go up to 2.5 lakh per month. So, it's a quite good pay. Now, every year question asks, is this an alternative for NEET PG? Then definitely not. It's definitely not an alternative, but it's a good option for all those candidates who want a settled government job, a 9 to 3 or 9 to 5 work-time job with a good salary, with all the facilities. If you go in the railways, then you get the quarters, then your railway free services and many extra things. But if you want your pay scale keep on upgrading every year, or you want a hectic life, then definitely this is not an option. It's for those who want a clear-cut settled life with a fixed pay job. So, what's the syllabus? The syllabus is same as for the NEET PG. If you are preparing for a NEET PG, and whether you want to go in this field or not, you should give this exam because it costs you nothing. It just instead it's costing. It's give you an analysis how a preparation at that time. So go for it. And if you want people used to ask, then is the syllabus different? Then definitely not. If you are preparing from any medical coaching institute, then that registers is enough. You just have to prepare for the 3rd year or the final year subjects through that register and go for this exam. And if you want to prepare, go through the recent year papers, then these all papers are available on Telegram or on the UPSC site itself. Just read the questions and go through the answer key. These are available, and just please focus on your register. No extra preparation needed for this exam and no extra guidebook needed for this exam. So In the next video, I'll be telling you about the personality test in detail, because making it lengthy, it's no use. In detail, I'll be telling about the personality test in my next coming up video. So stay tuned, and please, I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you.